Hi, my name is Madison Fisher. I'm an IT cybersecurity major in my first year here at UC. So I chose IT because in high school I was a part of the STEM program, and the summer before my sophomore year I took a cybersecurity and networking camp. I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and of all the STEM classes I was taking, the computer ones seemed to I took a lot of interest in those classes and thought they were really cool. So yeah, it's a really important field, and I wanted to be a part of it, so here I am.
Hello. The first IT class I ever took was Visual Basic Studio during my junior year of high school. It was a programming class. It was really challenging, but I decided to take it because it struck my interest, I guess you can say. I wasn't that interested at the time, but I wanted to see what it was like. During the end, it was really rewarding, I feel like. So my senior year, I took Information Technologies, which was a fundamentals class of IT where I learned about computer hardware and troubleshooting. That was when my passion for IT just kind of struck through the roof, I guess. I decided to study IT all throughout college, basically, because I wanted to get involved with the IT world, because I know IT and technology is only getting better, and it's only going to get better throughout the future, I guess. And I'm really excited to be a part of this society where really we can just use IT to make all our problems easier and make everyday tasks just easier to do, I guess. I want to work for a company and just make something great, I guess. And so in the end, I guess that's kind of why I joined IT.
I was about 3 years old. We had a computer at our house, and I wanted to play online with people, so I used it a little bit to play my games online. And it didn't really work out so well because, 3-year-old on the internet, but it was a really good insight into what could be done with computers. Later on, a couple years after, we got another computer, this time running more recent software, and I just kept getting more and more into it, researching what makes a computer work, what makes a computer run efficiently. And I tried to make my computer faster and faster. Soon we got Windows Vista, which is known to be sort of a disaster, and I kept researching to make sure I'd make my Windows Vista computer as fast as possible. And that's really what got me into all of the IT today.
So my name is Logan Hahn. I am in IT. I'm in the networking track here at UC. I chose this because I have always loved computers. I've been familiar with them ever since I was a little kid. I've always I figured out what made them work as a little kid, and I kind of experimented with them and made sure that everything worked correctly. And I did have a few faults along the way. I kind of destroyed some computers on the way, including my dad's work computer, which was not probably smart of me, but oh well. And then as I've kind of grown as a person, I've developed a sense of what is necessary in a computer and what is required. So like for right now, as I'm in college, I'm kind of like the tech support for my family essentially, whereas like for instance, I'll get a call at 3 o'clock in the afternoon from my grandpa, and he'll be like, oh, this doesn't work or this doesn't work, and I'll be like, all right, did you do this, did this, did this? And he'll be like, yes, yes, yes. And then I'll kind of narrow it down and kind of see what everything needed to be done.
Hi, I'm Zach. I got into IT when I was really little. My dad went out and got a computer. We were lucky enough to get one. At the time it was just kind of a Dell pre-built one, so it could play games, but it wasn't like amazing. But through my early childhood, I played a lot of video games, and once I got into high school, they started offering programming courses, and I decided to take one for fun. And I ended up really liking the professor and what he was teaching and how he taught. So I decided to actually take his IT courses, and a lot of that was based around networking, and it really kind of drew me in and really expanded my mind on what I want to do in the future. And that's why I came to UC to do IT. I think IT can really affect people and change people for the greater good. It makes our lives a lot easier and more productive.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Miller, and I joined IT because I am a nerd and I was looking for more people like me. I enjoy the coursework because it is rigorous but rewarding.
Hi, my name is Andy Kress. I'm a freshman IT student at UC in the cybersecurity track. The reason I chose IT was for the diversity of the field. There's really an endless amount of possibilities of what you can do with IT, and that's really interesting to me. On top of that, it's also always going to be in demand. There will always be jobs for IT. It's growing really fast, and so the combination of those two really appealed to me.
Hi, I'm Evan Howell. I am in the cybersecurity track of IT. I chose IT because it's a really wide job area that you can work in. You can literally work in anything from, let's say, theatrical to business and things like that. You can pretty much incorporate IT into any aspect, and that's what's great about it. And there will always be jobs that you can have.
Hello, my name is Jacob Colvin. I'm an information technology student as well. I'm going into cybersecurity and software development. And I got interested into IT sort of over a very long period of time. I just sort of got interested first because of video games, where I just wanted to play around with the actual hardware to make that experience better. And then from there, I just started playing around with a bunch of different areas, just sort of breaking things and
Hi, my name is Dave Ferdini. I'm a first-year IT student here at the University of Cincinnati. I wanted to go into IT because I thought it was an interesting field that's always going to, change, that's always going to grow. Since our world is constantly being overtaken by technology, I thought that IT would be an interesting field to go into because I would always be, needed. I took IT class in high school, and it really made me also want to, drive my passion towards IT. And I think IT classes, like just like STEM classes in general, are really important for students to take because science, technology, math, engineering, and science, those things are always going to be needed to help bring students more equipped in the future.
IT is very important to me because technology runs the world, and I have an opportunity to be a part of that every day.
Hello, my name is Josh Bossi, and I'm majoring in information technology for the cybersecurity track. I first got interested in information technology because I saw how much of it surrounds us and how much it affects everyone on a day-to-day basis. Technology means a lot to me because it allows me to connect with others on a day-to-day basis, and it allows me to better understand the world that I live in. I will make technology better by continuously being interested in the advancements in technology and by putting in my best efforts. I love technology and I can't wait to see where it takes me in the future.
Today we're covering the information technology track at the University of Cincinnati. Let's talk about that. I'm Stephen Fox, and I'm a software development major here at the university, and to talk things about why I joined the major and hopefully get you to join the track as well at the end. What technology personally means to me, it is just an ever-evolving tool to help you achieve your goals and also make your life more efficient and a lot easier. What I intend to get out of the major at the end is hopefully get into the gaming industry, maybe start programming for games or either draw for it, I don't know. But hopefully either way to create the next generation of games, because I find it to be the perfect balance between creativity and logic. In the end, information technology is a really cool track. It's super flexible, and I really recommend information technology for anyone.